Emily? Come look at this. What is it? Listen. Something's inside. We need to open it. It's locked. There's no key anywhere. Let's ask Mom. Maybe she knows. Where did you find that? In the garage, Mom. What's inside? That's Dad's old box. Please don't touch it again. But why? What's the secret?
It's not my secret to tell. Now go wash up for dinner.
Her hands were shaking.
There's a secret, and we're gonna find it.
Check the closet. I'll check the drawer. If Mom catches us, we're in big trouble.
Do you think it's time to tell them? About the box?
Not yet, Emma. It was a long time ago, before they were even born.
But it's part of who you are.
That part of me is gone now.
Before we were born? What does that even mean?
We need that key. Tomorrow. No matter what.
Ben! I found it! Is that really it?
Tonight. After they're asleep.
Ben? Oh, is this Dad? He's holding a guitar on a stage.
Look, Thad. There's a name on the back. Sam.
Who's Sam?
I see you found it. Mom? Who is Sam? Sam was your dad's best friend. They started that band together in college. Your dad sold his guitar when you two came along. He never once complained. He just let that dream go quietly.
We have to do something. Right now.
Father's Day is in 3 days. We're not letting this go.
We need a guitar just like this one.
Where did you get this photo?
It's our dad's. His name is Michael.
Michael? Michael from the Wanderers?
You know him?
Kid, I'm Sam. I played drums in that band. Your dad and I haven't spoken in years.
Sam, we need your help. We want to surprise him. On Father's Day.
Say no more. I have just the guitar, and I know exactly what song to bring back.
Someone's coming! Hide. That was too close. One more day. Just one more day.
Why is everyone so quiet this morning?
Sit down, honey. We have something for you.
Where did you? How did you find?
We found your box, Dad. We know everything about the band, the music, everything you gave up for us.
I haven't held one of these in years. Sam? Is that really you? 20 years, Michael. Too long. Now grab that guitar. We've got one song left to finish. This is the best Father's Day gift I have ever received.
You didn't lose your dream, Dad. You just gave it to us instead. And we wanted to give a little of it back.
I would give it up 1,000 times again. For you too.
Now play the whole song.